Making money in your business is one thing you want to make sure you're doing as a business owner, because that is the only way you can become relevant. That is the only way your business can succeed on a daily basis or for a very long time. So you want to look at some of the things that will make you money so that you can increase your income in your business. Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Grace Ibe, and on this channel I teach you everything business, customer attraction, making money and increasing your income. On this video, I want to share with you strategies that you can actually apply in your business that will make you money, increase your income in your business. So if you are looking at making more money in your business, then you want to watch this video till the end, because what I'll be sharing with you is something you need to apply in your business so that you can get results. So you want to watch till the end, and don't forget to like this video if it's valuable, and also share with other people. So let's get into it already. What are the ways that you can actually make money in your business so that you can increase your income? My number one is for you to actually increase your price. Many times when I hear people talk about increasing prices, the first thing they talk about is people will not buy their product when they increase the price. But I'm here to shock you that you are not selling, or you are not making the kind of money you are supposed to be making because of the pricing of your product. The day you increase your price, people tend or begin to see your product or service as a go-to. People begin to see your product or service as premium. So you want to increase the amount, all right, that you have put on your price. Increasing your price does not mean it should be outrageous, right? Because you already know your customer, which I suppose you do, you want to look at their income level and price your product accordingly. So increasing your price is one thing you want to do so that you can increase and make more money in your business. So you want to look at how you can include this in your business. My number two thing that you can do is for you to increase your product line. Now, what do I mean by increasing your product line? Increasing your product line is for you to increase the number of products that your business is offering. So let's say, for instance, you are in the fashion niche and all you do is, you sell clothes, you sell shoes, you sell bags. How about you, right, add coaching to it? So now you begin to coach people on fashion, how to look good. Right now, increasing the number of products that your business is offering will give you an opportunity for you to actually make more money in your business. Because when I come to your business, okay, and you are telling me that as a corporate person, this is how I should dress, or this is what I can do, that is consulting, right? I will pay you money for consulting you in how to look good, or in the fashion, how to grow my fashion sense. Okay, while I'm able to grow my fashion sense, I can also get some of the fashion items that you're offering as products, right, to help me accomplish the results that I want to accomplish. So you can see that increasing or making more products in your business is one way you can actually have a customer pay more money in your business. So you want to see how you can apply this to your business. Another thing you can do is for you to increase the number of times a particular customer is able to buy from you. Yes, guys. Now, customers come to buy from you, and one mistake that I found we business owners do is that we just allow customers to buy and go. How about you creating a system that will help you get one customer to actually buy from you multiple times? So when I talk about multiple times, I'm talking about your ability to get a particular customer that comes into your business to buy bags, to buy shoes, to buy earrings, to buy hair, to buy something else in your business, at a go. That way you are increasing your income. So I have someone that actually went to one of the fragrance shops, right, where they sell perfumes, and she was intending to buy just one perfume, right? And she was offered a sample perfume to actually test their new sample that they got. And after testing that, trying it out on her body, immediately she bought that brand of perfume. Now you can see that if they had not offered her that free sample, she would not have bought another perfume. She only came to buy one, but she was able to buy another one. So she left that shop buying two perfumes. That is what you want to do in your business. Find a way to increase the amount that people pay you at a go. Find a way to increase the number of products that your customers can buy from you at a particular time, and see how you can increase your income. Another thing you want to do is for you to increase your income, all right, by actually getting customers, okay, to actually be effective when they are buying from you. So many times we drive away customers because of the system of payment. So you are asking the customer to go online, and many times people, especially from this part of the world, Africa, Nigeria, where we are from, most people do not like buying online. They prefer the offline, where they do transfers, they use their cards. So if you can actually get multiple means of people to buy from you, that way you are giving people and customers the opportunity to actually buy your product. Because when they come and you're offering them just the online service, they might go away because they cannot use their card online. But when you offer them to actually buy, okay, using offline, that way they are going to pay immediately because they want the offline method. So try as much as possible to see how you can increase the means of payment when it comes to your customers buying from you. That way you get more people to buy your product with ease. It's a price, okay? Another thing that you can do to increase the amount of money that you are making in your business is for you to increase the number of people that are buying from you. Yes, guys, more customers is equal to more money. So if you want to make more money in your business, one thing you want to do is to get more customers to buy from you. Get more people to see about your product, get more people to see about your services, and get more people to buy from you. That way you are increasing the amount of money you are making on a daily basis. Imagine you making 10 naira per day, and now you are having 10 people pay you 10 naira in multiple times in a particular day. That's where you are making more money. So you want to see how you can increase the number of people that buy from you on a daily basis. Another thing you want to do is for you to increase the number of times, right? Another thing you want to do is for you to increase the number of times that your customer is able to buy from you. Yes, guys, you already have customers that is buying from you, right? You want to increase the number of times they buy more, right? So what can you do in your business that will make your already customer to want to buy from you? You want to ask yourself this question and get to work right now. Create an offer, okay, that these customers will not be able to resist, and go offer it to them. So somebody that has bought from you already, you want to ask yourself what type of offers that you can actually create that will make them want to buy something else in your business. This is another way you can actually make more money in your business. So guys, you have all of these strategies for you to go apply in your business right now so that you can increase your income and make more money in your business. Remember, a business that is making money tends to last long, tends to live long, right? So if you're making more money, then definitely you're going to be in business for a very long time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share this video so that some other people can actually find this, and also learn what you have learned. Also, don't forget to check, all right, the description of this video, because you can get more of my videos and learn other things. All right, guys, I will see you again on another video. Until then, ciao.